Alright guys, the Handyman here, and today we have a GE dryer that is not cutting on, and I'm going to explain the reasons why GE dryer does not cut on. Number one, always check power supply first. Always check to see if you got your 240 going to your dryer. Make sure you check your power supply, make sure you're getting 240 to your dryer, and if your breaker is giving you 240, you want to check the dryer cord. Basically put two probes on both your 120s cords, black and red, and it should give you 240. If it gives you 120, then you test them separately from black to neutral and then red to neutral. In a minute, I'll have the multimeter there so you can see the readings I'm getting. So I have both my probes on the 120s, the separate 120s, so I should be getting 240, and right now on the multimeter it will show you what I'm getting, which is only 120 or 123, which is not correct. It should be 240, 120 on each leg, and it should give you 240. So that should tell you right now that either your breaker is not giving you the whole 240 or the dryer cord is bad. So what we're gonna do is instead of pulling out the breaker box and checking the 240 on the breaker, we're gonna go ahead and confirm black to white or black to ground. That's giving me 120, and then when I test red to ground, I'm getting 0. So that tells me, like I said, 240 is not coming from the breaker or the dryer cord. So you want to repeat the same process. I just checked my other meters because my other meters were kind of dying, so I checked with those. And again, it confirms the 240 is no good. So what you want to do is you want to take out the dryer cord and you want to test out the continuity. You want to test the black to the prong, which you know is not our problem because that one's giving us 120. And then you go ahead and test out red to the prong. So the one end to the other end, and it should give you continuity. If it don't, that means that dryer cord is good, no good. You can also check your ohms, your resistance, and if it keeps giving you fluctuating or high resistance, then you know that wire is no good. So once you check those things out and confirm that the dryer cord is bad, go ahead and replace it. Put black on black, white on white, and red on red. And make sure you put your connect your ground as well. Okay, now that we got it almost connected, let's go ahead and plug it up and see what we get. Oh yeah, GE dryer blowing. I will cover other reasons why GE dryer won't start, but for right now, the job's done. The Handyman out.